Question is to determine form of partial fractions. We do not need to solve for the constants. The first function is x plus 4 divided by x minus 5 whole square times x square plus 3. For the partial fractions, you need to see what is the factors of denominator. There is a linear factor, it is repeated. So for the repeated linear factor, we will have two fractions. One is a by x minus 5 and other is b divided by x minus 5 whole square. The second factor is x square plus 3, which is irreducible quadratic factor because the power is 2, but we cannot factor it any further. For that, we will have a third fraction, but be careful, if the denominator is irreducible quadratic factor, the numerator has to be a linear function, not just a constant. Okay, so we have four constant a, b, c, d, but in this question they are not asking you to solve it. Let's work on part b. F of x is x minus 6 divided by x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2. First problem is that I need to factor the denominator. X squared minus 3x plus, there was an x here, 2 by factoring x because x was common in all the things. Now I can further factorize this. X minus 6 divided by x times, this is a quadratic, can be factored into two factors. I think they are x minus 2, x minus 1. So x squared minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 2. Okay. Now we can write partial fractions. So for writing partial fractions, you need to see how many factors are of the denominator. The first factor is x. For that, our partial fraction would be a by x. The second factor is a linear factor, unique, no power, only one. For that, we will have only one fraction, b by x minus 2 plus. There is another linear factor which is also non-repeated. For that, it will be c divided by x minus 1. So for non-repeating linear factors, only one fraction comes in the partial fraction.